Today I'll be unboxing a foot pump for my vehicles. This was ordered in Amazon and I got the delivery yesterday only. Today I'm unboxing this product. This is not a very fancy product. I don't have any high expectation for this pump because this is a budget product. This is of 724 rupees only. The purpose is to keep a foot pump handy for any kind of unexpected situation. So this is the box. The brand name is Raj. This is made in India product. On the box there is written professional foot pump for high pressure. My primary focus is good pump quality and properly visible and nearly perfect meter reading. I'll only look for that. This is the pump inside the box. It looks good. I don't have any high hope still for this pump. In the box there are a few accessories, a gasket, a nozzle, few more nozzles in a smaller bag. Now this is the pump. It looks good, it looks sturdy, build quality seems to be very good. Finishing etc. are not so impressive, but for me that doesn't matter. The foot pedal stopper hook is of good quality. It doesn't look good, but the quality is appreciable. The pump pipe, the air pipe is covered with thread. It looks good, it feels good. The nozzle is of brass. It is metal built. It feels good. It is sturdy. The build quality and fittings are quite impressive. They're truly good. The finishing doesn't match my taste, but still I need the function only. The PSI meter is clear. The marks are clear. It is quite clearly readable and visible. I don't know about the accuracy. I have my own way to check the accuracy. I'll do it right away. But for a glance, I can say the PSI meter is prepared for a good visibility. The numbers and the markers are clearly printed. Overall, the build quality is good for me. It is impressive. The pump pedal is not so hard. You can press it with a gentle push. This is good. This is quite heavy. I didn't expect this kind of heft, but this is heavy because this is completely metal built and it feels good when the product is made in India. I can hope the pump doesn't come with any kind of air leakage. The paint quality is below average. You can see it is peeling off. It doesn't matter for me because this is a foot pump only. The air pressure quality, the reading of the meter, any kind of air leakage etc. are only my concerns. The build quality is sturdy. It doesn't seem that it will break soon. The pressure gauge, the PSI meter seems to be fixed properly. It is not moving, or I think it will not create any pressure leakage. Now let me use this pump on my Suzuki Let's front wheel. The nozzle is of metal. It fits tight and it fits properly. And I know how much air pressure is there in this tire. Let me check it first. Then I'll come to know that how accurate is this PSI meter. The pressure gauge is showing correct reading. I know the pressure is around 25 psi because Last day I went to the air filling pump and the pressure was around 25 psi. So now it is showing the same. I can say the meter reading is perfect. I can't say it is 100% perfect, 100% correct, but it is nearly correct. Maybe 95 to 99% correct. This will work for me. Let me pump a bit. This is quite impressive. The air pressure is proper. So overall I am satisfied with this pump. If you want to buy this pump, you can search in Amazon and you can buy from there. If you need the buying link, I can definitely share it in the reply of your comment. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching. Let's talk with Chandan. Have a nice one.